Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to make DIY diaper rush cream. Every baby out there is a self-proclaimed pooping pro. Although you are always on a guard to change those freshly loaded unicorn poppy diapers, chances are that you may not be able to clean your baby's bottom thoroughly every time. This often leads to a very common problem, diaper rush. Diaper rash is a skin condition characterized by red, slightly swollen and irritated skin that occurs when the genital area stays wet and in a contact with urine or stool for too long. It can also be due to your baby having very sensitive skin or a diaper that is too tight and rubbing against the skin. These all natural creams are not just friendly for your child's skin but also for your budget. They stay good for up to 3 to 4 months. Excited much? For parents, it's like a breakthrough in diaper rush treatment. Listen up, all fellow diaper changers. Dread the poop no more. Here are 3 recipes to make your own DIY homemade diaper rush cream that can get rid of diaper rush fast. Homemade cream number 1. DIY all natural basic cream. This very basic and all natural diaper rush cream uses a blend of oils that are not only safe to use on your child's irritated skin but also very nourishing and soothing. Assemble a double boiler over the stove or hot plate. Put 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil in the heat-safe bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Add 1 teaspoon of beeswax. Let all the ingredients melt and blend together. Then remove the pan from the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of castor oil to the oil blend and stir it well. Transfer the mixture to a container and allow it to solidify. When changing your baby's diaper, rinse and clean the skin and allow it to air dry. Apply this DIY homemade diaper rush cream on the affected skin before putting on a fresh diaper. Homemade cream number 2. DIY cream using cornstarch. This DIY homemade diaper rush cream recipe uses cornstarch, vitamin E oil and lavender essential oil in addition to beeswax, shea butter and coconut oil. Place a double boiler over a stove or heat plate on medium-low heat. Put 1 tablespoon of beeswax in a double boiler. Add 1/4 cup each of shea butter and extra virgin coconut oil. Once the ingredients have melted, turn off the heat. Puncture 1 vitamin E capsule and squeeze the contents into the mixture. Add 2 or 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix the ingredient thoroughly to get rid of any lumps. Once the cream begins to solidify but is still liquid enough to pour, give it a quick whisk. Transfer the cream to an airtight container and use it as you would any other diaper rush cream. Homemade cream number 3. DIY cream using zinc oxide. If you want more potent and waterproof diaper rush cream, then consider using this recipe. Arrange a double boiler by placing a heat-safe bowl inside a pan with a little water in it. Put 1 tablespoon of beeswax in a bowl. Add half cup of extra virgin coconut oil to the bowl. Allow the ingredient to melt and blend on low heat, then remove it from the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of non-nano zinc oxide powder. While whisking the mixture continuously to prevent the formation of clumps, add 2 or 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Whisk it well and transfer the cream to an airtight container. Use the prepared DIY homemade diaper rush cream on clean and air-dried skin each time you change your baby's diaper to get rid of the diaper rush. These all natural creams are not just friendly for your child's skin but also for your budget. They stay good for up to 3 to 4 months. Excited much? For parents, it's like a breakthrough in diaper rush treatment. Listen up, all fellow diaper changers. Dread the poop no more. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.